here I have this box. Again, I go to modifier list and go to edit poly. And at this time we'll go through the edge. We will discover some of these things that are important. I will go to select this and this and this and this, and I can move them up to create such shape. Then here I have the extrude. So if I want to extrude these, let's go with this one, and let's extrude it. So I extrude this line like that, and I give it such design. If I want to be accurate in this shape, in the dimensions, I go to settings, and here I am selecting this line, this edge or segment, and I move it up the distance I want, and then the width here I want to create. So here I can get such shape or such object design. For sure I can apply it with more than one segment. I select this segment, this one, that one, and also I can make it from the other part. So here are these, extrude with the setting, move it up and give it this width. I can show numerically, let's say 30 by 10, and here I am, yes, done. Something else is the connect. Connecting two edges, and such thing is created if I want here to create an edge between those two lines and I want to delete this part only or do something in it. So I go to select here and here, and I go to connect. By default, once I click on connect, it creates this horizontal new edge or segment. If I want more, not just one but more than one, so here I go to settings and I define the number. By default these spaces are equal, so if I want to change them to a certain thing, they give me those two options. The first one is expand the dimension between the new segments or edges. The second one is moving them either up or down with respecting the distance between those two or three new segments. Let's keep them as zeros, and this one as 2. And yes, if I want to create it again now between those two segments here and here, and I click on connect, automatically it takes the last setting that I was working with. Not 1 but 2. If it was 3, so it applies as 3. And here if I go back to polygon, I can select this one, delete, and here I have a border. So if I go to border and I select the border, I can extrude it, so like this, or I hold shift and move it like that.